Hi, welcome to Ed Foodie. We're going to try something really good today. I just saw this recipe and I'm so excited to taste it. It's called pumpkin macaroni and cheese. And I love macaroni and cheese and I love pumpkin. I never thought of putting the two together, but I think this is going to be really good. So let's get started. This is really easy. It's a no-bake macaroni and cheese. So it should be very simple. So what I've got here is 4 tablespoons of butter I've melted. Now I'm going to make a little roux by putting in 4 tablespoons of flour. And we're just going to slowly mix that in. That looks pretty smooth. So now I'm going to slowly stir in 2 cups of milk, whole milk. So we're going to continue to heat this over a medium-low heat until we get a nice thickened consistency. Okay, so we got our roux or gravy getting pretty thick. Now I'm going to add in 1 can of pure pumpkin, 15-ounce can. Okay, we'll stir in the pumpkin. I've got 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Zip it up a little bit. Full teaspoon of dry mustard. What I've done earlier, I salted water and boiled a 12-ounce package of pasta shells, drained. And what I did was I cooked this for al dente. So the package called for 12 minutes. I cooked it for 10 minutes. Since we're going to cook this here on the stovetop for a little bit longer. Now, it looks pretty good already. Now we're going to add all the cheese. I have 3 cups of shredded or grated cheddar cheese. 1 cup of fresh grated Parmesan cheese. Since this has pumpkin in it, it sounds like it'd be a good fall treat. Maybe even a Thanksgiving side dish. I'm going to give it a little taste. The recipe called for salt, but with all this cheese and salted water, I don't know that I need salt. Pretty good. I will add a little bit of salt. A little bit of ground pepper, and I am going to add a little bit more milk. So this is basically it. Like I said, this is very simple. I'm used to making macaroni and cheese always baked in the oven. So we'll serve some up in a serving bowl. I always like to add a little bit of color. So I got a little bit of chopped green onion. And just a little bit of smoked paprika. I've been waiting for this. Oh wow, that's really good. Very good. I'm liable to eat the whole thing here. Do you want to try it, Catherine?
Yes. It's good.
Yeah, the pumpkin doesn't really overpower because the cheese is pretty strong. It just gives it a nice different flavor.
Lemon.
Yeah, thumbs up. So if you like this recipe, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to Ed Foodie on YouTube, and happy Thanksgiving.